Hey there, I'm Heather.
And I'm Sheldon.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Stay tuned.
Beachy Beach. So today we are at the awesome Village at Seacrest with this wonderful home. Tell us a little bit more, Sheldon.
All right, so this one has 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, just a little shy of 2,900 square feet. Amazing location.
Yes.
You have an extra bonus room up top with a kitchenette, with a huge balcony with amazing views.
It's perfect to come out here, enjoy the outdoors. If you get done at the beach at the end of the day, you got a little kitchenette, grab yourself something to drink and chill out. What I like about this is it also has 2 extra rooms. You could make an extra bunk room, or you could make a study or office, whatever would work for you. And you know what's special about this one? It's never been rented either. So you can make it your own. The design is super cute. You have access to this amazing 12,000 square foot pool right here in Seacrest Village. It's just fantastic.
It's amazing. If you want to come on vacation and never have to get in the car and just take a short bike ride or a walk to somewhere, this is the community you want to stay in.
It totally is. You can rent in here, or it could be a second home, or you could just rent to your friends. Whatever works for you and your lifestyle, this is perfect. Situated just between Alys Beach and Rosemary. It's got everything that you need between 30A and Panama City Beach, right?
It does.
Awesome. If you would like more information, then look at the description below. Click the MLS listing for photos, extra details, and don't forget, subscribe to thebeachshow.com. Ring that bell so you don't miss any of our future listings.